Today we're gonna make these adorable smoked salmon deviled eggs. To get started on making our smoked salmon deviled eggs, we're gonna start with 6 hard-boiled eggs. So we have hard-boiled eggs here, cut them in half. And we're gonna scoop out the yolk into this bowl. And then we're gonna lay them right here. So deviled eggs have really made a comeback from the 80s and 90s. Everybody loves them again. And these are a great, fun appetizer to make, especially for the holidays, Easter, especially Mother's Day, all the spring holidays. And if you're doing a brunch, this smoked salmon recipe is awesome. So we're gonna put this right here. So now we've emptied out our yolk into a bowl and we're gonna make our mixture here. So I'm gonna take our egg yolks here, smash them with a fork. And now we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup of mayo, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. We're gonna do some fresh lemon juice, squeeze 1 fresh lemon, so it's about a tablespoon of lemon juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. You can always add more later if you like, and I'm gonna take this and mix this all together, make it nice and creamy. I'm gonna use a small whisk to make sure that we get all the lumps out, make this nice and creamy. Now our mixture is ready. We're gonna put this into a piping bag. So I'm gonna scoop this in here. It's always great to just put the piping bag right on top of a glass. It makes it easier to manage. But if you don't have a piping bag, you can always use my trick with a Ziploc bag too. So put that. So now we're just gonna cut the end of our piping bag. I'm gonna start filling in our eggs here. So now that we've piped all of our eggs with our egg mixture, now we're gonna top them off with the star of the show, smoked salmon and dill. So we have some smoked salmon here, and I'm just gonna cut little thin strips of the smoked salmon. I'm gonna roll it to kind of make it into like a little flour. Like that, and I'm gonna put it right in the middle of the egg. I'm gonna top it with a little fresh dill. Look how cute, adorable. So let's make the rest. Roll the smoked salmon. I'm gonna top each one of these with some fresh dill. This is so pretty and a great brunch item. Little dill on the plate. Gorgeous. For the full recipe, visit NikkiQueckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips.